What is Feedly and how to use it? Sign up for a Feedly account. Signing up for a Feedly account is a breeze, especially if you already have a Google or Facebook account. Head to Feedly.com or the Feedly mobile app and click Get Started for free. You can sign up with your existing Google, Apple, Twitter, or Microsoft account, enter your email, and create a new password specifically for Feedly. Either way, you'll be up and running in no time. Create a new feed. Once you are all logged in, creating a new feed is easy. Think of it like a folder where you can store a collection of updates. You can make one for video game content, news, or something specific like Android news. To create a new feed, go to the left panel and select Create a folder. Give it a name that will make sense to you later, like Tech News, for example. And hit Save to move forward. To add some content to your feed, select Add Content, search for a related topic, and enter a website name. You can also browse the ideas if you need help figuring out where to look. Once you find something you like, select Follow, then choose the new feed you just created, Tech News. You have your custom feed ready to go. Click the link to learn more.